Well, we have received this iPad 6. So the problem in this iPad is it is gone to the complete dead position. Okay, dead position in sense 4014. 4014 is in code. Okay, so this part, as you can see, this CPU has been gone. So we have to replace it. So that is why. See, as you can see, the tablet is in not working condition. So it has completely dead. So now we'll try with a technician to fix it out. So come, let's go to our technician. Come. So, Mr. Mahdi,
Yes.
we have received this iPad. This iPad has gone to the complete dead position. So now you have to fix it. So take. Let's do it.
Okay.
Good.
Hey, Mr. Adnan, now
Yes.
iPad is totally ready. You can
Okay.
check. Yes.
So let's check whether it is ready. Yeah, so now you can see it is ready. We have to restart it. It's okay, it's fine. As you saw, this is completely ready. Now, if you have any such kind of problems like your iPad, MacBook, iPhones, whatever is dead or display replacement, battery replacement or something like that, then you can contact us, and also I will be providing you the number in my comment section as well.